Hi, my name is Courtney Roberts with NanoView Distribution. In this video, I will guide you through the functions of the EyeFly3D Pix App and the EyeFly3D Vid App. To download the EyeFly3D Pix and Vid apps on your iOS device, open up the App Store. In the search bar, type EyeFly3D. On this screen, you will have 4 different options: EyeFly3D Vid, EyeFly3D Vid Pro, EyeFly3D Pix, and EyeFly3D Pix Pro. The EyeFly3D Pix app, which is free to download in the App Store, you can use to edit or capture a maximum of 20 photos. The Pix Pro app, which you can purchase for 99 cents on the App Store, will allow unlimited editing and capturing of photos. The EyeFly3D Vid app, free to download in the App Store, is limited to 1 minute and 59 seconds of viewing time. When you purchase the 99-cent Pro app, it allows you unlimited viewing time. When you open the EyeFly3D Pix app, your photos will be displayed on its home screen. To take a photo, you'll tap the camera icon on the bottom of the screen. Once you have selected your level of intensity, tap the screen location where you would like the photo to have the highest level of pop-out effect. If you would like to use the rule of thirds, select the grid icon on the bottom right of the screen. Do all this prior to taking your photo. Once you have taken the photo, you will have the option to save, cancel, or share your image. If you decide to save your image, the screen will prompt you on how to set your image as a 3D wallpaper. If you select the share icon on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, your device will prompt you for the platforms available to share on, whether it be a text message, social media, or directly to your photo album. In order to convert 2D photos into 3D, on the top left-hand corner of your screen, select the Edit button. Then select Edit and Convert. Select the photo you would like to convert from 2D to 3D. Once selected, you will receive a prompt on your screen showing how to select, erase, and change 3D intensity. You can select Do Not Show Again, or close the window using the X in the top right corner of your screen. If you have the ability to capture side-by-side photos and wish to convert them from 2D to 3D, tap the Edit icon on the top left corner of your screen and then select Merge Side-by-Side. Select the side-by-side photo you wish to convert and align the photo using the slide bar on the right-hand side of your screen. When you open the EyeFly3D Vid app, your converted videos will be displayed on its homepage. To record a new video in 3D, select the Record button on the bottom left-hand side of your screen. In order to convert your own 2D videos into 3D, select the Video Plus icon on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Select the video you would like to convert from 2D into 3D. Once you have selected the video you would like to convert from 2D to 3D, select Activated 2D in the right-hand corner of your screen and use the slide bar on the right side of the screen for focus. If you would like to add videos via iTunes, select the Transfer button on the top left-hand side of your screen. You also have the ability to stream videos via YouTube or Dropbox. This can be done by selecting the cloud icon on the top right-hand corner of your screen. For preloaded side-by-side videos, be sure the 3D side-by-side icon is selected in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Then, you can manually adjust the focus using the slide bar on the right-hand side of your screen, or select 3D autofocus in the top left-hand corner of your screen. To convert YouTube 2D videos into 3D, select Activated 2D in the drop bar. Select the video you would like to convert from 2D to 3D. Once the video is loaded, make sure Activated 2D is selected in the top right-hand corner of your screen. In this mode, you will only be able to manually adjust the focus using the slide bar on the right-hand side of your screen.